What's up, it's your boy KBS and I'm back at it with another video. And for today's video, it's going to be a DIY on the Jordan Bred 4 Reimagined. Hopefully you guys was able to get your pair with the release being this past Saturday. And if you guys haven't checked out that review video on the Jordan Bred 4 Reimagined, make sure you guys go to my channel and check that out. I mentioned in that video that I would like to age my pair, and that's exactly what I did. When it comes to aging sneakers, there's like a mixed crowd. Some people love it, some people hate it. Of course, you're gonna have those people that say, just wear your sneakers and eventually they will look like that. But there's also some people that just like the aesthetic that it gives when this shoe is aged. I wanted to be different. Of course, I love how the Jordan Bred Reimagined look fresh out the box, but I just want to add a little twist and be a little bit different. So that's what today's video is going to be about, aging the Jordan Bred 4 Reimagined. So with that being said, if you guys are returning subscribers, thank you guys for tapping back in and checking out this content. And if you guys are new to the channel and end up enjoying this content and it correlates with you, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell to stay in tune whenever I drop new content, leave a like and comment down below. So with that being said, let's get right to this video. So when it comes to this project, the materials that you're going to need is only 3. Starting off with a sneaker stainer. The one that I used was by Foxtrot Uniform sneaker stainer in a sail colorway. I really love this product because it's really easy to use. You can just take the cap off and just apply it straight onto your sneakers. And if you don't like how it's coming out, you can easily just grab an alcohol wipe and just go over it, and it lowers the intense of the stainer. So the next item that you're going to need is the ANGELUS acrylic leather paint in light gray. You can get this paint here from the local Michaels, Amazon, pretty much anywhere that that does crafts and hobbies. So highly suggest going with the light gray colorway, because that definitely will give like that OG feel when it comes to the outline of the Jordan Bred 4. I will also suggest the ANGELUS black paint as well, just in case if you don't have a steady hand going on the outlines with the light gray, you can go back over it with the black to make sure the lines are crispy. And lastly, you're going to need a spotter brush. You can get these from Michaels, Walmart, any arts and crafts store. I highly recommend this spotter brush due to the fine point where you're able to apply the paint and get into those cracks of the outline of the Jordan Bred 4. So once you have your items, you're ready to go to age your Jordan Bred 4 or any sneaker in general. There's no right or wrong way of doing this, so just have fun and enjoy the process. So I grabbed my pair, and this is how they came out. Really love how they came out actually. The midsole is not too much aging, just just slightly. The main thing that I wanted to add to this sneaker was the outline of the OGs back in the day, how they had the white along the outline of the sneaker. So that's what I was aiming for, and I think I did a pretty good job, and I love how they look actually. Really nice touch. It really gives the sneaker a nice contrast from the black, and that was something I was mainly aiming for. And I just feel as though with this Bred with the leather upper, I just feel as though it gives like an OG feel, like this is the shoe that should have came out back in the day instead of the nubuck. The Jordan 1s, the 2s, and the 3s was all leather. So I just feel as though with them doing the leather up on this pair here instead of the nubuck, it really gives that OG feel. Now also, I forgot to tell you guys with the materials, I also went over this shoe with like an alcohol pad, very lightly, just to take some of that shine from the leather to give it more of a dull look. So if you guys want to do that as well, just get like an alcohol pad, don't soak it, just lightly across the sneaker just to take off that first coat. I also aged the wings as well with the Foxtrot sneaker stainer marker that I showed you guys before. Also did some on the midsole slightly. I didn't want to do too much, I just wanted it to be just something slightly as well. When it comes to the back, I did the Nike Air. I aged that a little bit as well. And it really just gives off just an OG sneaker. Like when I think of Reimagined, like how they did the Jordan 1s Lost and Founds with the packaging, with the receipt, how they was just lost in a sneaker store in the back closet. This is what I think of the Jordan 4 Reimagined. So I think I did a great job. I know there's some people that doesn't like this process. They like their shoes to look clean and crispy. And there's also some people that enjoy the age process as well. But also the last 2 things that I want to do to this sneaker is change out the laces to a more fadeaway black lace. And I also want to add some hardware as far as lace do grays. And I think this shoe is going to be good. I'm going to rock it like this for now. I think it came out great. Let me know down in the comments how I did. So if you guys end up doing this to your Jordan Bred 4 Reimagined, I hope this video is very helpful for you guys. So right now I'm going to try these on feet, give you guys a few visuals of how they look on feet, and I'll be back to close the video off. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure you guys subscribe, hit that like and notification bell to stay in tune whenever I drop new content. And down in the comments below, let me know how you guys feel about the Air Jordan Bred 4 Reimagined. Will you be doing this to your pair, or will you just rock yours clean and eventually as they get older they'll get like that? So thank you guys for checking in, and until next time, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.